Hi, this is the VIVO S17 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So we should press up or down volume button and you'll see here the bell icon. Click twice to the bell and now it's switched to the crossed one. So this means that all of our notifications and ringtones, they will be muted. So this means that the silent mode enabled. If you wanna turn it off, just by the same way, click to this cross bell and to switch it to the regular one. And now our calls and notifications, they will ring. So this means that the silent mode disabled. Just if you want to make it by another way, you could open also the control panel and you'll find here somewhere the silent mode icon. And just to activate silent mode or to turn it off, you should click here to silent mode icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.